Here's the simple truth. We all feel gouged by carrier plans from time to time, and to be honest, we might even feel that all the time. That's why the best option when you need a great new smartphone is to buy an unlocked phone. Unlocked phones allows you to use any network and choose any plan you would like without commitments. The Polaroid A6BK is compatible with SIM cards from GSM networks like AT&T, T-Mobile, and others. Having a smartphone allows you to enjoy the wide range of content available in today's digital marketplace, such as nearly unlimited music, books, movies, app, and games on Google Play, and wherever you are in the world, the Polaroid A6BK supports different languages, so you will be covered, whether you travel or if your English isn't your first language. The Polaroid A6BK sports Android KitKat, a dual-core processor, 512 megabytes of RAM and 8 gigabytes of storage, all under a 1-year warranty and made in the US. The micro SD slot enables 64 gigabytes of additional storage, while the 5-inch IPS display showcases a wide range of spectrums of colors and brightness. With flash camera, 4G Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth all packed in, including your battery, charger, USB cable, and protective bumper, you'll be set to seamlessly surf the data landscape without a contract. Don't go another day without your smartphone by your side. Buy the Polaroid A6BK 5-inch unlocked smartphone today.